Hello, I'm Keith from Rocketsign. So here we can show you another kind of product, which is pitch 2.9 outdoor. This is also one of the smallest pitch. So in my previous video, I showed already a 1.9 outdoor, which is first that we made for this year. And here you can see actually the 2.9, which we actually also have sold in a lot of countries, especially Japan is very interested in this kind of technology. So the brightness very high, and also this kind of product is for a rental and can be done for fixed installation. If you use it as a rental product, you can use it indoor and outdoor, which is also very easy for the customers. When they use it outdoor, they have the best high definition screen that's possible, and when they use it indoor, they have extremely high brightness, which will actually give much more attention to the screen. So for more information, you can go to our website, rocketsign.tech.